Welcome. If you want to change log method in your ALCATEL 3V, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now, let's scroll down and tap all the security location, click on the screen lock, and currently we set up the swipe, right? So we can change it for the pattern. For example, we don't want to secure startup, draw your pattern, click continue, and draw it one more time. Click confirm. Right now we can set up the notifications, so I'm leave with the don't show notifications at all. And right now we can check how our log method has changed. So right now the pattern will be required, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!